Hello friends, in this video we are to cover how to change or activate a virtual environment in PyCharm for both Windows and Mac. However, the methods you are to use can also be used exactly in Vscode. So before we start, I've created this folder Python test and I've installed the virtual environment. So I've created two virtual environments, test env, that's a virtual environment I created, and I've also created a second virtual environment which is venv, just for illustration purposes. So without wasting time, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your terminal. Open your PyCharm terminal. Then step 2. Change to your desired virtual environment. We are in V virtual environment, which is this one, VAV, and we're assuming that we are changing to this virtual environment, which is the test env. So to change your virtual environment, type the name of the virtual environment you want to change to, stroke scripts, then stroke activate. This method is for Windows. For scripts, S must be a capital letter. So as for now, click enter and you see we've changed to this virtual environment. So you can also change from this virtual environment, the test env, to the venv. As I'm doing, write the name of the virtual environment you want to change to, then scripts stroke activate. Don't forget, scripts S must be a capital letter, or otherwise it won't work. So step 3, deactivate to exit from the virtual environment. Deactivate to exit the virtual environment, just type or write deactivate. By so doing, you are deactivating from the virtual environments. So before you continue, I want to show you this blog post which I created before creating this video. So if you need more details about this topic, how to change or activate your virtual environment in PyCharm for both Windows and Mac, you can check out my blog post, link in the description, and I think here on the screen you can see it. I've also included the 6 steps you can follow to create the virtual environment within PyCharm and both Vscode for both Windows and Mac. So let's move on. For Mac users, at the moment I'm using a Windows system. However, I'm going to illustrate using this Windows system the commands used for Mac users. For Mac, just type in or write in the source, as in word source, space, the name of the virtual environment you want to change to, stroke bin, stroke activate. That's it. Then you click enter and you've changed to the virtual environment that you want to do. The rest are the same. If you want to deactivate, just type deactivate and then you are done. And if you want to activate one of the virtual environment, just type, as we've been doing, the name of the virtual environment that you want to use, stroke scripts stroke activate. As I've done here, I've tried to activate the test env virtual environment. Okay, that's it for today. Subscribe, like and share, and if you need more clarity, comment into the comment section, or you can visit my blog post, this exact blog post, link in the description or here on the screen. Nice time.